everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Amazon.com account. So keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser of your choice. Once you open up your web browser, go to the URL box at the top and type in www.amazon.com and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the official web page of Amazon.com, which looks like this. Go to the top right hand corner and click the sign in button popping up on the display. This will take you to the sign in area for Amazon. Go and type in your email address or your mobile phone number that is associated with the account in the text box. Once you type in your email or your phone number, click the continue button. On the next page, it'll ask you for your password. Type in your Amazon password in the text box, and you can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon at the right corner. In case you don't remember your password, click on forgot your password link and follow the on-screen prompts to reset to a new password. Once you type in your password, you can click on the sign in button and you'll be able to log into your account right away. That is how you can easily sign in or log in to your Amazon.com account with a few simple steps. All you need to do is to get your credentials correct and you'll be good to go. That is how you can easily log into your Amazon.com account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.